Hello friends, today our lesson is how to use Wokwi Arduino, not MCU simulator. Wokwi is very simple simulator, very easy to use. First, open web browser and go to www.wokwi.com. Now we are in Wokwi website and let's try it. Now open Arduino IDE and open LED blink example. Then go to Wokwi and you can sign up. Scroll down the page and you can see Arduino Uno, then click it. Now you can see Wokwi interface and it has two main tabs. Left side tab is used to paste and edit, sketch and import the library. Right side tab is used to create your diagram. Now I will open Arduino IDE and copy the example code. Then I will paste it on Wokwi left side. Now I will click the plus icon. You can see component list. I will choose the LED and drag it. Double tap the LED. You can change LED color. Now I choose resistor and drag it. Now I will wire it. Double tap the wire. You can choose what you want color. Now I will wire the resistor to D13 pin. Now I will go to simulation side play button and click the play button. Now you can see blink the LED. You can see include LED is blink like added LED. You can pause it using click play button. If you want, include the library. Go to Library Manager and click plus icon. You can see list of common use libraries.